Students, welcome back. Today we are going to study about the different type of insurance and the difference between insurance and assurance. In the last videos we have discussed what is meant by insurance and what are the principles that govern the insurance policies. So the first thing that we will discuss today is the difference between insurance and assurance. Generally these both are taken as synonyms, but there is a difference between the meaning of these two. Assurance means a contract in which the sum assured is bound to be paid sooner or later. मतलब पैसा मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, पहले मिले या बाद में मिले, पैसा मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. But in case of insurance, the sum assured is paid only if the insured suffer a peculiar loss. यानी कि जिस स्पेसिफिक लॉस के लिए आपने एग्रीमेंट किया है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया है, इंश्योरेंस करवाया है, जब वो लॉस होगा ओनली इन दैट केस यू विल गेट द कंपनसेशन, अदरवाइज आपको कंपनसेशन नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. जैसे फायर इंश्योरेंस करवाते हैं. फायर इंश्योरेंस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. अगर आग लगेगी, इन केस यू सफ़र लॉस ड्यू टू फायर, ओनली इन दैट केस यू विल गेट कंपनसेशन. बट इन केस ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस द अमाउंट इज सर्टेन टू बी पेड बिकॉज डेथ इज इनएविटेबल. पर्सन विल डाई एंड अल्टीमेटली ही विल गेट कंपनसेशन. ठीक है. द रिस्क इज सर्टेन, द पर्सन हैज़ टू डाई सूनर और लेटर, सो द अमाउंट इज guaranteed, or the amount compensation is certain in this case. But in case of insurance, the amount will be paid only if the person suffers some loss. So the difference between insurance and insurance can be compiled in the following table. In contract of insurance, the insured must suffer a damage or loss to claim compensation, but assurance में amount मिलेगा ही मिलेगा whether there is loss or not. Secondly, the term insurance is used when risk is uncertain. It may or may not happen. Like आग लगी, लग भी सकती है, नहीं भी लग सकती है. But in case of assurance, the risk is certain. Like death of a person is certain. कभी तो होगी, अब पहले हो जाए बाद में हो जाए. In case of insurance, the compensation is paid only at the happening of event. कि loss होगा तभी मिलेगा. But in case of assurance, पैसा आपको मिलता है क्योंकि event तो होगा ही होगा. So we will discuss about life insurance now. That is a kind of assurance. Two people take life insurance. First, the people who have the risk of dying too early, and those people who have the risk of dying too late. Those people who expect that they will die too early, so to support their family, they take insurance policy to provide financial assistance to their family after their death. But there are some people also who want independent life, who want who want to remain self-dependent even after their retirement in their old age. So they also take life insurance policy. In life assurance, the sum assured is paid at the death or on maturity period, whichever comes earlier. If during that period, if the person dies, his family will get the compensation. In case he doesn't die, then at the time of maturity, he will get the amount of compensation. So in this way, the insurance helps those both kind of people, the one who are expecting that they will die too early, and also the people who expect to die after a long period. So in life insurance, the insured has to pay a fixed amount of premium, and in return the compensation is assured at the death or maturity period, whichever comes earlier. You have to pay a premium amount. That premium amount can be paid quarterly, half yearly, or annually, and the compensation will be paid off when the person dies or in case the policy matures. For fixing the premium amount, companies जो है depend करती हैं mortality and morbidity rate पे. Mortality rate means the rate of death in that particular area, and morbidity rate means the rate of disease in that particular area, and also with the age of the person who is taking the insurance and the diseases that he is already suffering from. On the basis of these parameters, the insurance premium prices settle up, which has to be paid monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. The insurer pays the policy amount at the death or the expiry of specific time period, which is called the maturity time period. The principles of indemnity, principle of contribution, principle of subrogation are not applicable to life insurance policy because the life of a person is invaluable. You cannot monetize, you cannot quantify the value of a person's life. So यहाँ पे कभी भी ये नहीं होगा कि आपका इतना लॉस हुआ, you will get this much amount only. The person will be paid the full amount of the policy that he has taken. मेन एलिमेंट्स आर इट इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ अटमोस्ट गुड फेथ. दैट मीन्स आपको सारी बातें बतानी है, ठीक है ना. इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट होना ज़रूरी है एट द टाइम ऑफ टेकिंग पॉलिसी. मेच्योरिटी पे नहीं हो चलेगा. एंड इट इज़ नॉट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी, एनी फुल अमाउंट विल बी पेड. सो दिस वर द रीजन, these were the elements of a life insurance policy. In the next video we will discuss about the general insurance, that is fire insurance, marine insurance, health insurance. So this is it for today. Take care and have a great day.